Today in Finland to be homo for free, and that's it. Goodbye. And there are people who say no parliament, and even parliament can homo in marriage. Even myself can homo for free. Hello everybody. My name is
not important.
No hetero in Finland. That in Finland no homo.
Goodbye.